You can expect a lot from the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Come on in and take a test drive.